Hi there, my name is Mark and welcome to the Man Cave. First of all, welcome to 2023. Christmas break is over, so time for a new vlog. I discovered we got 3 new subs, so I decided it was time to do another introduction video so we can get to know each other a little bit better and make a fresh start for the 2023 season. Here beside me you see my 2009 BMW, the BMW 1 Series convertible, aka Delhi's daily driver. It's an E88 118 injection that I bought in March last year. I bought it because I needed a daily driver for work that's not over the top and in need of some TLC. In this way I could spare the family for it and I get something to work on the weekends. The reality is that I have only done some maintenance and repairs on this car, mainly because of my muse, the Ferrari 308, asked for all my money and my time. Luckily the Ferrari is now finally at the shop to get the engine back in, so I now have time, but still no money. That's a problem. Yeah. Since I bought the BMW, we shared just over 10,000 kilometers of tarmac. That's about 6,000 miles. And yes, it's the type of car that you will start to love once you start to drive it. At this moment, I'm trying to fix the driver's side window. Well, like always, that's not going to plan. Yeah, because I fail miserably when fixing things because I haven't got the tools, the experience yet. I believe in trial and error, but yeah. Yeah. But we keep going until success is prevailed, or we're gonna just take it to the shop. And you know what? Working on cars like this or the Ferrari or whatever, these days it's all about waiting for parts. You know, I forgot his name. Tom Hanks. Yes, Tom Hanks. I saw a video of him and he said, all you have to do, you have to be patient. This shall pass. Bad times, they will pass. Good times, this too will pass. Something like that. Well, I hate fucking waiting. You know that? Sorry, I got carried away a little bit. But you know what? I found something I could do while waiting. Polishing.
Mirror, mirror on the car, who's the prettiest little star?
It's you, my king, who's very fat. And I tell you this, your tire is flat.
Like I said, this is a little introduction. So who am I? Well, my name is Mark and I am doing my midlife crisis properly. I work as a project manager in real estate and I study cinematography. I love making stories and I discovered I want to share them with the world. Hopefully one day I can produce, direct or write my own movie. But then again, I love playing myself too. Not my, no. What I meant, of course, is I love playing roles myself. You know, acting, not playing with myself. Huh? You know what I mean?
Now you come to me and say, Don Corleone, give me justice. But you don't ask with respect. You don't offer friendship. You don't even think to call me Godfather. Instead, you come into my house on the day my car is to be ready and ask me to drive for money.
Well, while doing all that, I have a wife. I have 2 beautiful baby girls. Yeah, where they really should put more days, hours in one day, if you know what I mean. Because I just don't have any time left. Where did the time go? Montgomery, where did... No, that's something different. I don't know. Am I from India or something? I can't handle this. What happened? I watched too often to the Big Bang Theory, I think. No, that's not it. Oh no, I'm going crazy. Now, of course, I'm playing. Back to the cars. I already mentioned it, I have a family Ford. It's a 2017 Ford Focus station wagon and I absolutely love that car. It produces 182 horsepower, more than enough for me and my wife, and it has custom Alcantara interior with red stitches, etc. She's already always dirty and well, we're having a lot of problems with that car lately. We had a problem with the clutch, we replaced it in just around the summer. Then after that the pedal kept falling away, and in the end we discovered that the clutch pump, is that correctly, was broken. It sucked in false air, that's why that pedal kept dying. And so annoying, because that's something I just cannot fix and it costed so much money and I spent so much money on the clutch. Sorry Ford, but fuck you. And well, to top it all off, she has to go now to the painter because somebody hit my car and damaged it. And really annoying, because I really love that car. It's not that special. It's not like, it's just like the BMW. It's not that special. You know, I'm not a rich guy that buys McLarens, and I would buy Ferrari, of course. But you know what I mean. Yeah, I'm just a regular guy, just like you. This is all I have, and I love it. And I'm thankful for it, because there are a lot of people that don't have anything. We're wondering again, are we? Okay, you know what? 5 seconds. Enough about my boring daily drivers. This channel is mainly about my Ferrari 308. Ferrari is currently in the shop to get its engine reinstalled. The saga started in 2017 when my gearbox started to fail. In 2018 I decided it was time to restore my precious baby. The engine and gearbox are now being rebuilt, and we got a proper respray, suspension, brakes, everything's changed. She will not be in Kokungo's garage queen, as they say, because, well, simply, she is built to be driven, and that's what I want to do. Now, of course, you want to learn more about the 308. Just take a look at my channel. There are plenty of videos about the process we have gone through. All I can say is that I can't wait for spring. Hopefully, I will see you on the road very soon. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget, like, subscribe, spread the word, but most importantly, buy your first toy car and start driving. And goodbye. Yeah, it's a wrap.